Do you also want to earn thousands of dollars from YouTube? Are you thinking of starting a YouTube channel that earns big, even with fewer views? Today, I'm going to share the top 10 high CPC YouTube niches, where the cost per click CPC is so high that even fewer views can earn you $50,000 every month. At number 10 is Health and Fitness YouTube channel. If you go to the gym or even have basic fitness knowledge, create videos on workout routines, weight loss tips, or diet plans. These videos attract a health-focused audience and can generate great income through AdSense and brand deals, ranging from $2,200 to $8,000+ per month, depending on views and sponsors. At number 9 is Legal Advisor YouTube channel. If you have some legal knowledge, you can make videos on topics like how to avoid online fraud or other legal issues. These videos are relatable, get good views, and earn around $5,000 to $10,000+ per month. At number 8 is Vlogging YouTube channel. Vlog videos are usually longer, 9 to 25 minutes, so multiple ads can run. That means more revenue and sponsor opportunities. Many vloggers earn around $5,000 to $15,000 per month, and even more with strong engagement. At number 7 is Tech and Gadgets YouTube channel. Cover reviews, unboxings, or tech news. These channels earn from sponsorships, affiliate links, and AdSense. Income ranges between $6,000 to $17,000 per month depending on the audience and content style. At number 6 is Online Learning YouTube channel. Teach school subjects, languages, computer skills, or coaching tips. These educational channels can make money from AdSense, sponsorships, and selling online courses, often around $5,000 to $20,000 per month. At number 5 is Cryptocurrency and Stock Market YouTube channel. Crypto and investing content is trending globally. A well-managed channel in this niche can bring in $8,000 to $25,000 per month. Earnings grow with timely, accurate, and trending content. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. At number 4 is AI Tools and AI Education YouTube channel. This niche shares tools like ChatGPT, AI tricks, and tutorials. It's rising fast, and channels can earn between $9,000 to $30,000 per month through course sales, affiliate marketing, and sponsored videos. At number 3 is Make Money Online YouTube channel. This niche shows real ways to earn online, freelancing, blogging, affiliate marketing, and more. Successful creators earn $10,000 to $35,000 a month, sitting at home with just a laptop and internet. At number 2 is Digital Marketing YouTube channel. Teach SEO, social media marketing, Google Ads, and digital strategies. These channels earn big from course sales, sponsorships, and AdSense, around $15,000 to $40,000 per month. At number 1 is Personal Finance YouTube channel. Teach smart ways to earn, save, invest, and manage money. These channels can earn up to $20,000 to $50,000 per month via AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate links, and brand deals. These were the top 10 high CPC YouTube niches that can help you earn more even with fewer views. Choosing the right niche is the first step toward building a profitable channel. Stay tuned as I see you in the next video with another powerful topic.